What's the number one piece of advice that you have for anyone who's just now starting off in the real world?
You better love what you do because somebody else is going to love it more.
And
when they love
your
it more,
ass
they're
off.
going to
Work your ass off.
They're going to have to love it more than somebody else.
Love that. And then what industry are you guys business owners
We own
in?
private clubs.
Golf course.
We own private clubs, yeah.
Awesome. And what would you guys say, like, what's the number one thing that helped you guys out and get to that point and becoming owners?
I love the game.
What is up, my brother? This is Mr. K, and today I want to talk with you about the video you have just seen so far. My brother, in that video, those two billionaires, they are talking about loving what you do. You got to love what you do, because if you are not in love with the thing that you are doing in your life every day, there will always be another person who will love it more than you, and he will be more successful than you. And I want you to understand, this video is not scripted, and each and every word that I am speaking is coming right bottom of my heart. So my brother, I want you to stick with me in this video till the end and like the video, because your views, your likes, and don't forget to subscribe. All these things will motivate me to do more videos like this. So let's come back to loving what you do. No matter if you are a student, no matter if you are an employee, if you are not loving the work that you are doing, you cannot be successful, you cannot be phenomenal. Even I was in college, but I have been at the top 7 every year, even though I never liked school and college, but because of the society, because of the parental pressure, I had to read more, I had to be at the top 7. I tried a lot, but I never loved it. So this is the question: how to love what you do? My brother, it is not possible for us to love what we do every day. So you have to find out what you love and do it, instead of loving what you are doing right now. Here comes the question: what is it? It is passion. It is passion that you need to understand and that you need to find out what your passion is. Right after the completion of my BTech, I started realizing that I hated the college, and I have been trying to get a job, and even after getting job, I have to every day drag my ass out of the bed to go to the work, because I hate doing job. Whatever the job I am doing right now, I hate it, and I have to work for money, just for the money's sake. If you are doing a job just to complete the college, if you are studying, you cannot be successful in anything that you are doing. And I realized that even you have to realize that if you are not loving what you are doing, you cannot be phenomenal, you cannot be successful in that work. So you got to find out your passion, and don't leave your job in behind going for passion, because you need to have financial support. So don't leave your job, but you have to find out your passion. How to find out your passion? It is very simple. See, after completion of my college, I started finding out my passion, and the only way I found, and that is the practical way that you have to follow to find your passion, is you got to try a lot of things in your life. Just like if you go to a restaurant, you will order a roti first of all, again chili chicken, again a different ice cream, biryani, roti. You are literally tasting different dishes inside a restaurant. But why are you not tasting different experiences in your life? Because we, being kids, have been brainwashed to go to school, get a job, get a high paying job, and work until 60 years. Work until 60 years and get retired and saved up some money and live with the saved money your whole life. Your entire remaining life you have to live with the money that you have saved by working a job for your 60 years. That is not the life, my brother. You got to find out your passion. You have to start doing things, other things. You have to taste other experiences of your life. In this way, only in this way, you will find out what you love. Not everything in your life is tasty for you. So you got to find out what feels tasty in your life. So you can start with going out, starting a business, reading books. There are so many books that you can read. Books like financial literacy and self-help books, self-improvement books. By reading the books, you will understand what you need in your life, my brother. With that said, you got to find out what you love and you will be able to do it in a phenomenal way, and only then you have the chance to become billionaire or a wealthy person. Thank you for watching, my brother. Share this video to all our men out there.